Hello students, welcome to the class. So let's continue the chapter from the second paragraph. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. If we give enough time and carefully use the resources, then this method is called resource conservation. Balancing the need of use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. If we balance the need and also conserve the resources, this method is called sustainable development. There are many ways of conserving resources. Each person can contribute by reducing consumption, recycling and reusing things. What is the meaning of recycling? To put used materials through a process and use them again. So if we reduce consumption, recycle the resource and reuse things, it may conserve the resources. Ultimately, it makes a difference because all our lives are linked. And if we do small things, then together it may create a huge difference. That evening, the children and their friends made packets of shopping bags out of old newspaper, discarded clothes and baskets from bamboo sticks. So there are some methods to conserve resources. These children do some of the things like they make shopping bags out of discarded clothes, old newspaper and baskets from bamboo stick. We will give a few to give to every family we know, said Mona. After all, it is a very good cause, said Mustafa, to save our resource and to keep our earth alive. If we save our resources, the earth is keep alive for longer and longer period of time. I am going to be very careful not to waste paper. The other method is I am very careful. Jessie said that I am very careful not to waste paper. Many trees are cut down to make papers. Papers are made up of trees. So if we waste lot of papers, the large amount of trees cut down. She explained, I will see that electricity is not wasted in my house, shouted Mustafa. Electricity comes from water and coal. We should not waste electricity as it comes from water and coal. Next conservation method is I will make sure that water is not wasted at home, said Asha. Every drop of water is precious. You all know that water is very precious for us and for everyone in the earth. So we should not waste water in any form. Together we can make a difference, and all together we sure must create a difference. If we do some of the measures to conserve resources, we surely get resource conservation, like protect water from pollution, increase forest cover, flood management, avoid wastage of water or wastage of papers, electricity, etc., cutting of trees in large amount, uh, population control. These are the measures through which we can conserve our resources, precious resources. The future of our planet and its people is linked with the ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. Therefore, it is our duty to ensure that if we are living on the earth, so it is our duty to maintain and preserve and conserve the resources. First point, all uses of renewable resources are sustainable. We must give time and conserve also resources. This is called sustainable resources. Second is the diversity of life on the earth is conserved. And third point, the damage of natural environmental system is minimized. Now, the damage of natural environmental system, what is this? The cutting of trees, wastage of water, degradation of soil, using of land in large area for the industrial purpose, getting river polluted through the industrial waste. These are the damage to our natural environmental system, and these all surely must get minimized. So your chapter is completed, first chapter of geography, and we will do question and answer in our tomorrow class.